In this example, I've created a dog class that has just one method. There's a public method here that returns a string called speak. Now the speak method returns a simple string, bark bark. What we're doing is we're defining a standard default behavior on how dogs speak. So we're assuming that in most cases, all dogs will speak essentially in the same way, by barking. In my poodle class, I have extended from dog. Now you'll notice that the poodle class is actually very simple looking. And in fact, there's no implementation specifically in the poodle class. Normally what I would do here is I would add some additional methods or members, which are behaviors that are maybe particular just to poodles. But you've noticed here that poodle extends dog. And what that means is that any of the functionality that's defined in the dog class will be available from an instance of the poodle class, whether or not that poodle class actually contains any formal method implementations. To use this implementation of poodle, I've created another class called makePoodle. And what my makePoodle class does is it creates an instance of the poodle class. Poodle P equals new poodle. Then I'm going to call the speak method of the poodle class. Now remember that the speak method was not actually defined within the poodle class, but rather because poodle derives from dog, the speak method is available by going to the poodle class. Let's execute this and take a look at our results. When we look at the output, we notice that we get the results, the response that we expect, because this is the implementation of the speak method in the dog class. Without putting any formal definition of that speak method within the poodle class, we're able to access directly that element as if it were an implementation of the poodle class.